So Amedzofe canopy walkway had collapsed, and a lot of people ask questions with regards to what could be the cause of the collapse. So in structures, there are basic principles guiding structures. For example, if you want to erect a column of about, let's say, 3 meters, the standard says that what the depth of that column has to be what 1/3. That is how deep the foundation goes inside the soil. Has to be 1/3 of the height of the column. Secondary is the dead load. That is what the column is going to carry. It's also a factor, but this is the basic. And then also the part of that foundation, which is, let's say, people call it math, has to be what 2 to 4 times bigger than that column. That is, if you want to erect a column of, let's say, 1 foot square, meaning the pad has to be 2 feet square to, let's say, 4 feet square. That is for the 1 foot square column. But let's look at this Amedzofe canopy walkway. You can clearly see that what the column is huge. That column is about, this column you are seeing right now, it's about 2 to 2.5 feet big. You get the point. But look at the pad. The pad is not up to 3 feet square, or let's say the column is not up to, let's say, 5 feet square, because if it is 4 times 2 to times 4 of the size of the column, so you can see clearly. And then also the depth, how deep they dug the soil before they buried this in. You can see it clearly on the pad that even the whole pad is not buried inside the soil. So these are the basics. So, and the secondary is also what is also considering the soil bearing capacity of the place. So these are secondary considerations that require technical person to be able to analyze the soil, and then the dead load, and then the life load. So the life load, which is the people who are working on the canopy, this pull the column down. Basically, that is what happened, because the life load, they did not consider these things. So the life load is the one that pulled this thing down. And I'm not sure that the column itself standing has an anchor. Sometimes we have anchor wires connected to various columns to hold the column in place so that nothing can drag it. So that is basically what happened in this. Thank you very much.